In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create table of contents in Google Slides. A simple table of contents helps your audience understand the flow of your presentation at a glance, and it helps you stay organized as you present. We'll keep it clean and straightforward, and I'll add tips along the way to make the process smooth without complicating the steps. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides and head straight to the first slide. This is usually your title or cover slide, and it's a natural place to show your audience what's coming. Take a moment to glance at the slide thumbnails on the left. These thumbnails will be your guide for the order of your content, and they make it easy to confirm the exact wording of each slide title you plan to list. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Text Box. Your cursor will change so you can draw a box on the slide. Click and drag to create a box where you want the table of contents to appear. Aim for a space with enough room to list your slide titles clearly, typically along the left or centered under your main heading. You can resize the box by dragging the corners, and you can drag it into place until it looks balanced. If you see alignment guides appear, use them to keep everything tidy and consistent. Keep the text box large enough so your list isn't cramped. Readability is key. Now, type the titles of your slides in order. Look at the slide thumbnails as a reference, and type each title on its own line. Press Enter to move to the next title. Keep the wording consistent with the actual slide titles so your audience can easily match what they see on the list with what they'll see in the deck. If a title is long, consider tightening the phrasing while keeping the meaning the same, so your list stays clean and easy to scan. As you type, you can adjust the font size, weight, or line spacing inside the same text box to improve clarity. Make sure the text is large enough to read from a distance and has good contrast with the background. When you're done, take a quick look in present mode to check legibility and spacing. If you add or reorder slides later, simply return to this text box and update the titles so the list stays accurate. That's it. Open your presentation, go to the first slide, insert a text box, and type your slide titles in order for a clear, professional table of contents.